guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share today's video because it's kind of like a requested video, but kind of not. So I had someone request, my friend Jay from my hometown actually, request my hot chocolate bar video that I do every single year. Unfortunately, I'm not doing one this year. I don't know why. I have like a coffee setup and it's kind of like basic and simple and I really like it. I'll insert it right here for you what it looks like. It's just kind of like an updated from my fall one. So I'm not doing a hot chocolate video this year, but I will link my last 2 years, ones that I've done before for you, just in case you're interested in seeing that type of video. But today's video was inspired by my daughter as well. So my friend Jessica and my daughter inspired this video. My daughter wants to give her coworkers where she works a kind of like a DIY hot cocoa gift with like some nice hot chocolate mix, and then also she's gonna write them like a sweet little letter. I think it would be a great idea to give to teachers gifts, or you could give it to like a hostess gift. I'm actually gonna make some for like my bosses at work and my husband boss at work. I have 2 bosses and he only has 1, but anyway, let's get started with the video because I feel like I'm blabbing and blabbing. What you need to make these, and I'm going to share different options, so less expensive options and then a little bit more expensive options for you, but let me show you everything that I bought. Okay, we're going to start with what you would need to put the hot chocolate in, and I got some ideas from Pinterest and then I just kind of came up with some on my own, so let me share that with you. Starting with the least expensive option is bags. So you can buy so many bags. I think this one has 10 or 8, I can't see, but for $2. And then this one was $4.99 and I believe 12 of them count. Plus I had coupons at all the places, so they were really inexpensive. And these are the 2 options. So I bought these because I feel like I've seen this on Pinterest where it's got like the hot chocolate and then the marshmallows and then they just tie it with a really cute bowl. So we're gonna try to make this one option. And then I also bought this bag. And this one, like I said, was, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it has snowflakes on there. I can't see if it's picking it up, but it's just like a cello treat bag. And I think I got this at Hobby Lobby, which was 50% off, so it was $1. And then at Hobby Lobby, this was $4.99, but I had a coupon there, so it was like 40% off that. The next option would be cups, and this is what my daughter's gonna do. So I bought these cups at Marshall's and they're just these like to-go holiday travel cups. And I think they're super cute. They were $4 and 8 of them come in here. So if you can see, it has like a little sleeve for the coffee and it says like Happy Holidays and it's in a plaid print. The next option, which is a little bit more pricey, is going with like some sort of jar, like a mason jar or some sort of like just a jar in general. So I picked these 2 up to make as options. And I got these also at Hobby Lobby, but you can get them pretty much anywhere, even the dollar store. These were 50% off at Hobby Lobby. So this one was $1, which is the same price as the Dollar Tree, honestly. And then this one was $2.29, so $1.15, a little bit more pricey, but this is also another option. If you only have to make a couple and you want to make them a little more special, you can use these. When you have to make, like my daughter has to make 20 of them, this could get expensive, and that's why she wants to use the cups or the bags. Next, you need all the stuff that you're going to put in there. So I probably need to find, I could probably go to Sam's or something, but I didn't go to Sam's, so I just was at Walmart actually, and I picked up some hot chocolate, and I just got this like rich milk chocolate. This will work, something similar to this, just like a hot chocolate mix, really inexpensive. I think this was like $4 at Walmart or $4.50, I'm not sure. Of course, hot chocolate needs marshmallows. So I picked up just some marshmallows from Walmart. I don't remember how much these were. I didn't check. They're probably like $1. I actually have no idea how much marshmallows are, so sorry about that. But you just need some mini marshmallows, and you can go fancy. I have some from Target that are in my pantry. Let me go get them because they're the fancy ones. Okay, I'm back. These are a little bit fancier, probably a little more expensive. I bought them a while back actually, but these are it. And they are star-shaped marshmallows, so they're really cute as well. But again, depending on how many you have to make in your budget, there's like a price point for everyone. You can definitely do this DIY hot chocolate. All right, next I got a couple of different things to tie onto the bag or the cup. Starting with the least expensive option, it is these candy canes, and I believe they were $1. And I definitely did see these at the dollar store a previous time I was there. So you can just get candy canes, really inexpensive, or you can go with something a little fancier, and these are peppermint dipped spoons. Sorry if they were upside down, but these are it. These were $5.99, and I think I got these at Hobby Lobby. So they were $3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically 50 cents each one if you're like doing the math. But the candy canes are 12 for $1. So definitely less expensive, but these are two good options for you. Okay, the last thing that you'll need for sure is some ribbon to make it look festive and cute. And then if you want to add a card, I didn't get any cards because my daughter is gonna just write it out. But any cards, you could get some from the Dollar Tree and just tie on a sweet little card if you want. You don't have to. Or just like those, what do you call those little tags when you give presents out, and just put like to so-and-so from so-and-so. Okay, but next you definitely need some ribbon, and I got these two ribbons from Hobby Lobby, and this one, I don't know if you can see because of the camera, but it's a white ribbon and it says Merry Christmas in red. And then, sorry about Sebastian, you guys, he's just like very curious as what's going on right now. Okay, and then I have this red gold like twiney type ribbon, which I think is really cute. There are two other things that are optional if you want to add in, which I think are going to be super cute. One of them is just chocolate chips. So you can layer chocolate chips or some kind of like Christmas spark candy in there. Some of them I'll try it and some of them I won't. So I've had these because we were baking for another occasion. So something I already had, I didn't have to buy, and you might have them as well. And then the last thing that I got are these mini Bailey's bottles, which I think are so cute. This is what they look like. I got them at the liquor store. It'll kind of look like this, but you'll see it when I put it together, but with ribbon and stuff. All right, that's pretty much everything that you're gonna need. Let's go ahead and get started on putting it together. Okay, we're gonna get started. The first thing we're gonna do are these bags. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm like filming at a weird angle, but here we go. Ooh. Then what's next? Marshmallows or chocolate? Ooh.
Oh,
yeah. Let's see, like that. Get some of the cute ribbon and tie it up.
If you want, you can tie one of the
one of these?
Yeah.
And then I found some of these in my pantry, so I'm gonna tie this to it because I think it's a little bit cuter than the candy cane. Super cute. And then I found these stickers in my wrapping paper bin, so I'm gonna add this Merry Christmas. Here is the first one. What do you guys think? Next, we're gonna do the cup version of the DIY hot chocolate. So I'm gonna get one cup with the lid. Ooh. On this one, I'm gonna add a couple of chocolate chips. And then the marshmallows. I'm not good at this. And then I'm gonna stick it in here. Okay, here's this one. Last, we're gonna do the jar. Which one should we do? The bigger one or the small one, guys?
small one.
Okay. So I'm gonna start with the jar, which, honey, will you take this little thing off the price tag? Here are the finished products. Here's the first one. Super cute and adorable. I probably could have added some chocolate there if I wanted to as well. Maybe the next one I make I will. And then here's the cup. Looks very festive. And then I think this is the cutest one, the little jar with the bottle. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.